How to fix front camera not working on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are in here, scroll down and then you have to move into accessibilities. Head over to voiceover at the very top. You simply have to disable this option. Once it has been disabled, now go back to your previous page and then head over to General. Scroll all the way down and click on Shutdown. You have to power off your device and then reopen it. Once it's done, now head over to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. You have to click on Reset All Settings. Once the reset is done, go back to your previous page and then head over to Camera. In here you have to make sure that the option of Mirror Front Camera is enabled. Once you have enabled this option, it will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix front camera not working on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.